Hey everyone, today I'm diving into something totally new, cross stitch. I never done this before, but I'm ready to give it a try. Let's see if I can turn a piece of fabric into something beautiful. First thing first, choosing a pattern. There are so many cute designs to pick from, but I decided to simple one, and it is like a flower. But I don't. In the end of the session, I think this one is the hardest one. So see, like after I'm beginning, and this journey is all about taking one stitch at a time. This is a stitch. I think I next threading the needle sounds easy, right? Well, not for me. It took a few tries, but I finally got it. Little. So okay, here goes nothing. My first stitch. I'm trying to follow pattern exactly, but I'm still getting used to the rhythm. It's kind of flowing puzzle with the thread. The best part is super relaxing, like beautiful, but it's a mainly thing. So it's relaxer. Actually, I can go whenever I want to go in my mind. After a few hours, I am actually seeing something take a shape. It's not perfect shape. What I want is flower, but it's not a flower. But hey, it's definitely coming together. The more stitch, the more fun it got. Look at that, it dance. Okay, it's not a masterpiece, but I'm really proud of it. The part of this session, I want to add in this one. Finally, I found a clothes from my mom, and okay for my stitch, so I got it. And look at that, it's done. Okay, it's not a masterpiece, but I'm really proud of it. The little project taught me so much about focus and joy of creating something by hand. Plus, it's pretty fun to see these designs slowly come to life with every stitch. And thanks for joining me on my first cross stitch adventure. If you never tried it before, I'm totally recommend to give it a go. It's a wonderful way to unwind, and hey, you might just surprise yourself with that you can create. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Can't wait to share my creative journeys with you.